Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is bubbling squeak with chorizo, or it would have been, but more of that later. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. We thought we'd post this video just to show you, just as my old mother used to say, you can't have a coconut every time. In fact, she never used to say that. She used to say, what bloody time do you call this to come home? But you get my point. Anyway, on with the cooking. Heat a knob of butter up in a pan, add the onions and chorizo and fry off for 5 or 6 minutes. Then remove from the heat and allow to cool. Are you sure we can post this video? It makes me look like a right spanner. What do you mean I should be used to it by now? Next we put potatoes and carrots in a large bowl and using the potato masher mash together well. Then add the cabbage and also again mix in well. Then it's the turn of the chorizo and onions to be mixed in. Lastly, we add pepper to taste and a tablespoon of plain flour and again mix through well. When this is done, divide the mixture into 6 equal parts and form into patty shapes. A sprinkling of flour will stop the mixture sticking to your hands. When this is done, sprinkle both sides with flour, then it's off to the refrigerator for at least half an hour to firm them up. Then you're ready to cook. When you are ready to cook, heat the knob of butter in the pan on low to medium heat and add in the patties. This is where one of our daughters called up to tell us something was wrong with the car. 15 minutes later, you got it, burnt to a sodding crisp.
And I said crispy underneath. Maybe not that crispy. Oh.
I was really looking forward to them for supper and all.